Okay, here we are in the plant with Lisa in Fort Collins, Colorado, and she's going to show us how to unassemble this quick lock toggle and reassemble it correctly. Frequently we get these in through the plant to be repaired, and the only thing wrong with them is that they are reassembled inappropriately in the field. So here we go. Lisa, would you unassemble this for us and then show us the important part of putting it back together? She's removing the thumb screw and the washer. Now she's removing the hub. And there, that hub has a little rim on it. See that rim there? That rim right there. That rim has to fit back into this hub. Also, let's point out in this hub, see this little pin right there, that little cylinder pin? Occasionally, if this quick lock toggle is taken apart and it falls on the floor, that pin falls out and it's so small you never hear it hit the floor or ever find it again. Therefore, if you don't have that pin in, no matter what you do, it will not tighten down either. So make sure that pin is in place and this hub is reassembled with the rim down in the hub that you attach it to. The washer is put back in place, and then this thumb screw is added. And when you are using this in the field, you should never have to unscrew it more than 2 times to loosen it. Can you unscrew it 2 times and show us how it's mobile? Okay, see the mobility in this? So you shouldn't have to unassemble that completely anyway. Now tighten it back up, 2 screws, tight again. Okay? Any questions? Call Lisa. Bye-bye. Thank you.